Shimla, often referred to as the Queen of Hills, is a charming hill station nestled in the Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. Situated in the scenic Himalayan foothills, this picturesque destination has been a favorite among tourists for generations, and for good reason. Its natural beauty, colonial architecture, and a plethora of activities make it a captivating destination for travelers seeking a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural wonders. One of Shimla's most iconic landmarks is the Ridge, a spacious open square that offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. This area comes alive during the evening with street performances and local vendors selling hot snacks and trinkets. The Christ Church, located on the ridge, is another architectural gem worth visiting. Its stunning neo-Gothic style and exquisite stained glass windows are a testament to Shimla's colonial past. The Mall Road, a bustling street flanked by shops, cafes, and restaurants, is the heart of Shimla's social and commercial life. Strolling along this bustling promenade, you can shop for souvenirs, savor local delicacies, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere. The Ridge and the Mall Road are also excellent places to witness the Shimla's famous toy train, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, as it chugs its way through the town. Shimla's natural beauty is unparalleled, and a visit to the lush greenery of Jaku Hill is a must. At the summit stands the Jaku Temple, dedicated to Lord Hanuman, offering panoramic views and a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. For those who seek adventure, trekking and hiking trails abound in and around Shimla. Excursions to the nearby Kufri and Chail offer opportunities for horse riding, skiing in winter, and close encounters with local wildlife at the Himalayan Nature Park. The town's colonial legacy is evident in its many heritage buildings. The Viceregal Lodge, now known as the Indian Institute of Advanced Study, is a splendid example of architectural elegance from the British era. Touring its opulent interiors and exploring the manicured gardens is a journey back in time. Another historical gem is the Gaiety Theatre, which has been hosting cultural events and plays for over a century, retaining its old-world charm. Nature enthusiasts can explore the Glen, a serene forested area near Shimla, ideal for picnics and short treks. The Chadwick Falls, cascading gracefully amidst lush greenery, are a tranquil spot to unwind and connect with nature. Nearby, the Shimla Reserve Forest Sanctuary provides opportunities for birdwatching and spotting indigenous fauna. Foodies will be delighted by Shimla's culinary offerings, with an array of Himachali and international cuisines to savor. Don't miss trying local delicacies like chana madra, dam, and babru. Additionally, the Tibetan market near Lakar Bazaar is a great place to sample Tibetan and Himachali street food. In conclusion, Shimla is a destination that caters to a wide range of interests and offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, adventure enthusiast, or simply seeking a tranquil escape from city life, Shimla's captivating blend of heritage, culture, and natural beauty will leave you with unforgettable memories of your visit to this enchanting hill station.